Come on, Sam. You know you want me. You know you want me. Come on. Come on. Come on, Sam. One treat. One treat. Wanna go? Come here. You know you want her. Look. Come on, kid. Come on, kid. Come on, kid. Oh. There he is. Sam! It probably is.
I don't like storms.
There is Katie, the man burper.
Actually, she burps way manlier than me. We're both single.
And you wonder why.
I think I might throw up.
I know you should. Like, what would you like? I feel one coming.
You can't make yourself hurt.
I can't.
You use proactiv?
On the camera. Yes.
So do
I.
I.
I use proactiv and it changed my life. I have clear skin.
So do I, except for right there.
Except for,
I only have a little red spot right there.
yeah, I have a little red spot right there. Just that's what it did to me. Proactiv is a scam. It's a scam. Don't buy it.
No, actually, it's really awesome.
Yeah.
It works.
I feel one coming. Oh, no, you did pee. No, don't stop it yet. I have one coming. I can still feel it.
We're so weird. Get the window wiper.
Ooh, wow. How to style every shoe, every color. What?
I was supposed to say when. Maybe it can be kind of fun.
Oh my gosh, I can feel it. Are you okay?
It should
You don't want to know what she just said. It was horrible.
You cut me out. You're weird.
I can feel it. I can feel the burp. What'd you say?
Just like moving my hair.
Look, we look like supermodels.
I know.
5 minutes. Okay.
And 6 seconds.
7, 8, 9, 10.
I was supposed to say 11.
Oh, look, you can see the little snowman in the back. See a little snowman right there. Right there.
I'm touching you. Hello.
That really smells like warheads.
I'm sorry that I'm not spelling your burps.
I said it probably smells like warheads. No, it's like the bird shot. Oh, we're special.
Glad that you could waste the 6 minutes and 30 seconds of your life.
Wait, it's not 30. Bye. Oh,